So I posted several videos on how I install my spring twist using a method that I created called the natural method. And a few of you inquired on how to remove the hair. So here I'm going to show you today. First thing you want to do is identify where your hair is. Okay, this is my hair. I know that because it's the frizziest part of the braid. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut right below my hair. Next, I'm going to take this mixture of apple cider vinegar and water. 1/4 is apple cider vinegar and the other 3/4 water. And I'm going to spritz it on my braid. Now, apple cider vinegar is a good cleanser and detangler, so this is just going to make unraveling the twist a little bit easier. Once you've misted the hair, you just simply start to unravel the twist until you get all the way to the root. So you get to the root and you've fully untwisted the hair, you want to separate your hair from the spring twist hair. So here I'm finding where my hair is. I'm going to put my hair in one hand and then the spring twist hair in the other hand. So in my right hand is my hair and in my left hand is the spring twist hair. All right, once you do that, you just grab one end of the spring twist hair and slide it out. And it comes out very easily. Then I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar mixture and mist my hair to help with detangling. Using a metal tip rat tail comb, I'm going to take down the plait that I created when I installed my spring twist. Lastly, I'm going to check for buildup in that area that I'm pointing in that is product buildup from wearing my hair for 2 months. So I'm going to mist it with my mixture and work it in with my fingers to loosen up any dirt or lint or whatever it is that's left in your hair. And once I've worked in it with my fingers, I just take my comb and run it through a couple of times, and the teeth on the comb will grab any lint or dirt that's in your hair. And that is basically it, guys. Simple and easy way to remove these twists installed by the natural method. I'll see you guys later.